Welcome to Bahadurgarh, the gateway to the heart of Delhi. This vibrant city is often referred to as the Western Gateway to the national capital, offering a unique blend of urban and rural lifestyles. This busy city, located in Haryana, is a big part of the area around Delhi. With its bustling streets and lively markets, Bahadurgarh is a hub of activity and commerce. It's close to Delhi, which has helped it grow into a lively center for businesses, shopping, and culture. The proximity to the capital has made it an attractive location for new developments and investments. Bahadurgarh's story is all about change, showing how India is becoming more modern. The cityscape is dotted with new constructions, reflecting its rapid development and modernization. It's amazing how it went from a small town to a big city. The transformation over the years is a testament to its resilience and growth. Its good location and strong roads and other services have brought in businesses and people. The well-connected highways and robust infrastructure have played a crucial role in its expansion. The city is full of energy, mixing old traditions with new ideas. Festivals and cultural events are celebrated with great enthusiasm, showcasing the rich heritage of the region. Bahadurgarh is on its way to a bright future, using its strengths to help the whole Delhi area grow. With ongoing infrastructure projects and community initiatives, the city is poised for a promising future, contributing significantly to the overall development of the Delhi NCR region. Bahadurgarh is in a great spot right on the edge of Delhi. This strategic location makes it a key area for connectivity and development. This puts it at the center of important travel routes, making it a bustling hub for transportation and logistics. It's easy to get to by road and train, making it simple to travel to Delhi and other places in India. The well-connected roads and efficient railway system ensure smooth and hassle-free travel. A major highway, National Highway 10, runs through Bahadurgarh, making it even easier to reach. This highway is a vital link that connects the city to various parts of the country. The Delhi Metro, a subway system, now goes to Bahadurgarh, and that's made a huge difference. The metro has significantly reduced travel time and increased convenience for daily commuters. Now it's super easy to go to Delhi for work or fun, whether it's for business meetings, shopping or leisure activities. The connectivity has made life much easier for the residents. This has helped the people living there and also brought in new businesses and investments, helping the city's economy grow even more. The improved infrastructure has attracted various industries, boosting local employment and development. Bahadurgarh has a long and fascinating history, stretching back hundreds of years to the times of the Mughals and the British. This city has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, each leaving its mark on the landscape and culture. Many people believe that the city's name comes from Bahadur Singh, a prominent leader who played a significant role in the region's history. His legacy is still remembered and celebrated by the locals. Over the years, Bahadurgarh has undergone numerous transformations, and today it stands as a vibrant city where you can see a blend of different cultures and traditions. The streets are alive with the hustle and bustle of daily life, showcasing a unique mix of the old and the new. Despite the rapid changes, you can still see signs of the past, with old buildings and monuments that serve as reminders of earlier times. These structures tell the story of the city's rich heritage and its journey through the ages. These historical places not only showcase Bahadurgarh's long history, but also offer a glimpse into how people lived long ago. They are windows into the past, providing valuable insights into the lives and times of those who came before us. It's crucial to protect and preserve these historical places because they make the city unique and connect us to our heritage. As the city continues to evolve, these sites remind us of our roots and the importance of remembering our past, even as we move forward into the future. Bahadurgarh is known for its industries, which help Haryana's economy. You'll find many different types of businesses there, like those that make clothes, textiles and furniture. The textile industry especially has been really important for Bahadurgarh. Several things have helped the city's industries grow: its good location, skilled workers and helpful government rules. Lots of small and medium-sized businesses create a lively environment where new ideas and businesses can grow. Bahadurgarh's industries create jobs and make it an important part of the area's economy. Section 5. A tapestry of culture, festivals and flavors. Bahadurgarh's culture is as colorful and diverse as its people. The city really comes alive during festivals like Diwali, Holi, and Eid. Everyone celebrates these festivals with lots of excitement and joy. The streets are decorated with lights and you can hear music and laughter everywhere. The food in Bahadurgarh is a delicious mix of traditional Haryana flavors and tastes from nearby states. You can find everything from spicy curries to sweet treats. Some local favorites are kadi pakoda, bahra ki roti, and gur ki kheer. Each dish tells a story about the area's food traditions. Section 6. A growing community, the people of Bahadurgarh. The people in Bahadurgarh are friendly and welcoming, showing the true spirit of India. People from all over the country live there, bringing with them different cultures, religions and languages. This mix of people is one of Bahadurgarh's best qualities, making everyone feel united, even though they are different. The people of Bahadurgarh are known for being tough, hard-working and good at business. They value their traditions but are also happy to try new things. This mix of old and new makes Bahadurgarh's community really special. Section 7. Nurturing growth, education and healthcare. Bahadurgarh knows that good schools and hospitals are important for a healthy community. The city has many good schools, colleges and job training centers. These places give students the education and skills they need to do well. Healthcare in Bahadurgarh has also gotten much better recently. There are government and private hospitals that can take care of many different health needs. Good healthcare is really important, and Bahadurgarh wants its people to have the best medical care possible. Section 8. Building for tomorrow, urban development and infrastructure. Bahadurgarh is changing quickly as its economy grows and more people move there. New houses, shopping centres and entertainment areas are being built all over the city. The government is working on projects to improve roads, build overpasses and make public transportation better. The goal is to make a modern and eco-friendly city that makes life better for everyone. Section 9. Exploring the surroundings, tourist attractions. Bahadurgarh might not be a famous tourist spot itself, but it's close to some interesting places. If you like nature, you can visit the Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary, a great place to see birds. Just a short drive away, because it's close to Delhi, Bahadurgarh is a good place to stay while you visit historical and cultural places in Delhi. From the Red Fort to the Lotus Temple, Delhi has lots of interesting things to see. Section 10. On-the-move transportation in Bahadurgarh. Bahadurgarh has a good transportation system that connects it to Delhi and other nearby areas. The Delhi Metro is a fast and easy way to travel. Bahadurgarh also has good roads and train connections. Lots of buses, run by the government and private companies, travel around the city. The Bahadurgarh train station connects to many major cities in India, making it a very important travel hub. Section 11. A bright future. Bahadurgarh in the 21st century. Bahadurgarh has a bright future because of its good location, strong economy, and the government's plans to improve the city. More and more people are moving there, and businesses and investors are interested in it. The government's Smart Cities mission wants to make Bahadurgarh a modern and citizen-friendly city. This project will improve infrastructure, make it easier to get around, use more online government services, and create a clean and green environment. Section 12. Conclusion. Bahadurgarh, a city on the rise. Bahadurgarh's growth from a small town to a busy city shows how India's economy is growing and how cities are expanding. Its great location, successful businesses and diverse culture make it a small example of modern India. As Bahadurgarh keeps growing, it's going to become a major centre for business and culture in the Delhi area. With its interesting history, lively present and promising future, Bahadurgarh is definitely a city on the rise.